In this video, I am going to show you how to fix laptop overheating problem. So watch this video till the end. Hello friends, this is Abhishek here and welcome back to my channel Technical Tech. Let's the tech begin. Before starting this entire tutorial, let me explain you what all problems you may face if your laptop is producing overheat. So the problem number one is hanging problem. While working on any applications or while playing PC games, you may have noticed your laptop is getting overheat, and due to that reason your gameplay is become lagging, like it's become freeze and it's very difficult to play any games. So in most of the cases the main problem is the overheating problem. The problem number two is due to overheating problem your laptop may become auto shut down. So for this reason, if you have any unsafe data, it may get lost. The problem number three is due to overheating problem, your laptop may become dead. So guys, be careful whenever you are facing a overheating problem. Immediately you should take your laptop to the service center, or if you don't want to visit service center, then watch this video till the end and I will explain you how to fix it by sitting at your home. So guys, this is my laptop and it is Toshiba Satellite L850 model. So different laptops are having different ways to open, so make sure you must take care of that. So before opening any of your laptop components, make sure you should remove the power cable and you should remove your laptop battery. It is very easy. On most of your laptops there is one notch, just push it like this and your laptop battery will come out easily. Now next step is, here you will find one screw. Okay, once you remove this screw, it will be very easy to remove the hard drive. So let's remove it from here. So this is the hard disk and this is the RAM. So as of now I have two RAM slots, so that's why I have fitted two RAM here. So let's remove this screw from here. And make sure you should keep all the screws one by one in different places, because all these screws may not be of same side, so you must remember that. Okay, so this is my hard disk screw, so I'm going to keep here. So let me remove it. So this is the hard drive where all of our data stores, and here we have RAM. So for removing the RAM, make sure here is lever is there. So just pull the lever like this and your RAM will come out easily. So this is the RAM of your laptop, that is random access memory. So let me remove this RAM too. This is the RAM. Now next step is you have to remove the DVD drive. So here you will find one screw, just remove it. Okay, and your hard drive will come out easily. Sorry, this is the DVD drive. Your DVD drive will come out easily. Now, next step is you have to remove all the screws of your laptop. So successfully I have removed all the screws. Now once you remove all the screws, it is very easy to open the back panel. Okay, see, just pull it like this. Slowly you have to pull it like this. Yeah. Now it will be very easy to remove it. So as you can see, this is how you can easily remove the laptop back panel. So once you remove the back panel, that's all, you are ready to go. So take your brush and just clean your back panel first, because lots of dust are available and the overheating problem are basically caused due to dust and due to your heatsink paste. So number one problem is dust only. So just try to clean all the dust which is available on your laptop. And dust are going to exist in this particular area. So let me remove this. So for removing this, make sure you have to remove the processor, this heatsink. Okay. So while opening the processor, this area like heatsink, this one, make sure you have to open the screws diagonally. Like I have opened this one, now I will open this one. And do not unscrew completely, like half. You do the half, okay? It should not create any pressure on the processor, or else it may get damaged. So be careful. And here is my GPU. This is my graphics card. Done. Now let me remove it. So this is how easily you can remove this heatsink. And as here you can see how many dusts is available. See, this is entire dust and it has become like a cotton like thing. It has become, see, this is the complete dust which is available in this laptop, and due to this reason the hot airs are unable to pass outside and your laptop is producing overheat. So this is the main problem of overheating. So there is lots of dust, you can easily see here, lots of dust is available. So you can clean it with the help of brush. And make sure you can blow air on it. Either you can blow it by your mouth, or you can also use the air blower. Done. Now next step is clean your laptop fan. So for cleaning laptop fan, let me remove it first. So even here a screw is available, so just unscrew it. So 2 screws will be available for fan. So I am going to remove these 2 screws and let's keep it separately. And here is one cable. And this is how easily you can remove your laptop fan. Now let's clean it. Now here is also dust is available, so let me clean it with the help of this brush. Done. Now see, are you able to see guys, some paste is available. So this paste is called the heatsink paste. Make sure you should not touch any of a screw component here, or else your processor may become damaged. Okay. So here I have the heatsink paste with me. So I will put it on this area this particular area you have to put the heatsink paste, and after that you can easily put it on the processor. Like this, you are not touching the processor and you are also applying the heatsink on it. So I already have heatsink here. So if you don't have the heatsink paste with you, what you can do is you can take the screwdriver or any plastic component with you and try to arrange this heatsink paste on the center so that you can cover the processor area. Like this you can do. Make sure it should not get dry, okay? The heatsink should not dry. If it is dry, means definitely you have to change it. Hence it is not yet dry, so I can apply in the same area. So I no need to put the new heatsink paste because it's working absolutely fine. So guys, this is how easily you can arrange the heatsink paste on this particular area. Make it should be in center so that you can cover the processor area and the GPU area. Got it? And make sure you should not touch your screwdriver to this particular sections, or else it may get damaged. Now once you apply the heatsink paste, the next step is, what you can do is just connect the heatsink to this particular section again. See guys, this entire thing you are able to see here, right? This is called heatsink, and the paste which you have applied, that is called heatsink paste. That is the difference. Now let's fix the screws here. Now make sure you have to fix the screws diagonally only. I will first fix this screw here, and you have to do it half up. Do not press too hard, just make it half up. Now let me connect this. Now half here and again half here. Same like this here also I have 2 screws, so I will do it half here and half here. Now here we have 4 screws, right? Again, now make it tight. always see whenever you are opening these things, now you make sure you have to open it diagonally. That's it. Now next step is just connect the fan. Make sure while connecting the fan you should put this cable, because most of the times while opening the laptop we forget to connect this cable. So make sure while putting it here you should immediately connect this fan so that you should not forget. Because if there is no fan on the laptop means your processor may get burned. So make sure, be careful, you should fix this particular cable here. Now let me connect the screws here. So here we have two screws for fan. This is the one. And one more screw is available. And here is another screw. Done. Now next step is just connect this back panel to your laptop. Yeah, like this. So like this you can easily put the laptop. Now before connecting all these screws, just check all the sides whether it is fit properly or not. So once you confirm it, now we can fix the screws. Now let's fix all the component back. So this is our DVD drive. So let me fix it here. This is the RAM. So let's fix it here. Make sure while fixing the RAM you should match this slot. You are able to see here gap, right? You have to check this gap on this particular RAM slot, and according to that you have to fix it. So simply put it inside and push it down. That's all. And your RAM is successfully fixed. Now next step is just connect your hard drive. This is your main memory of your computer, which is used to store the data. So just connect it here. So just put it here and push it like this, and it will fix easily. Now let's connect the screw. Now let's fix this back cover. Let me clean it first. And it is done. So this is how easily you can open your laptop and clean it and make it cool. Okay, so now once we have removed everything and we have fixed everything back, now let's try to on this laptop and let's see whether it is getting on or not. And as you can see, my laptop is getting on now. It means the problem has been successfully fixed. So guys, hope you have enjoyed watching this video. Then please like, share and leave your valuable feedback in the comment section below. And if you are watching this video for the first time on my channel, then click here to subscribe it right now, and also hit the bell icon so that in future whenever I will upload a new video, you will get a notification update. Thanks for watching.